Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Nestled along the scenic route through Kootenay National Park, Olive Lake is a small but striking alpine lake surrounded by dense forest and mountain scenery. Located beside the historic Banff-Windermere Highway, the lake sits at an elevation of over 1,800 meters, making it one of the highest easily accessible stops in the park. The still waters reflect the surrounding trees and sky, creating a calm and quiet setting in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Olive Lake was named after Olive Wilson, the wife of a prominent park official, James Bernard Harkin. Harkin played a major role in the early development and protection of Canada's national parks during the early 1900s. Under his leadership, the national park system expanded and gained recognition as an important effort to preserve Canada's natural landscapes for public enjoyment and conservation. The lake sits near the Continental Divide, a major geographic boundary that separates rivers flowing toward the Pacific Ocean from those flowing toward the Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. Just a short distance away lies the border between British Columbia and Alberta, marking the crest of the Canadian Rockies. Water flowing from this high mountain region ultimately travels thousands of kilometers in different directions, depending on which side of the divide it begins. The area surrounding Olive Lake is part of a subalpine ecosystem where cooler temperatures and a shorter growing season shape the landscape. Forests here are dominated by hardy species such as subalpine fir and Engelmann spruce. Wildlife, including birds, small mammals, and occasionally larger animals, pass through the forested slopes around the lake, taking advantage of the sheltered habitat and nearby water. Today, a short boardwalk trail allows visitors to walk around the edge of Olive Lake while protecting the fragile wetland environment that surrounds it. The peaceful setting makes it a popular stop for travelers exploring Kootenay National Park, offering a quiet place to pause and experience the natural beauty of the high mountain landscape before continuing deeper into the Canadian Rockies.
Thank you very much.
Stretching across the rugged spine of the Canadian Rockies, Kootenay National Park offers a striking contrast of landscapes in a relatively compact area. Located in southeastern British Columbia, the park forms part of the larger Canadian Rocky Mountain Park's UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors traveling through the park quickly notice how the scenery changes, from dry open forests in the west to steep alpine peaks, glaciers, and deep river valleys. This remarkable diversity of environments makes the park one of the most visually varied destinations in the Canadian Rockies. Kootenay National Park was officially established in 1920 as part of an agreement between the federal government and the province of British Columbia. At the time, the province agreed to build a highway through the mountains if Canada would protect the surrounding land as a national park. The result was the scenic Banff-Windermere Highway, which still serves as the main route through the park today. This historic road helped open the region to tourism and provided a vital connection between the communities on either side of the Rockies. Wildlife is another defining feature of Kootenay National Park. The park's varied ecosystems support animals ranging from American black bear and grizzly bear to bighorn sheep and elk. Because the Banff-Windermere Highway runs through prime wildlife habitat, visitors are often reminded to drive carefully and watch for animals along the roadside. These mountains and valleys form an important corridor that allows wildlife to move between different parts of the Rockies. Today, Kootenay National Park remains a place where natural beauty, history, and conservation meet. Whether visitors are exploring canyons, hiking alpine trails, or simply driving through the dramatic mountain scenery, the park offers a glimpse into the power of nature that shaped the Canadian Rockies over millions of years. Protected as part of Canada's national park system and the broader Rocky Mountain World Heritage landscape, this remarkable area continues to inspire travelers from around the world.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!